As Apple gears up for its big September keynote, the spotlight on Apple Watch Series 11 is heating up. Will it be a modest tweak or a groundbreaking leap? Here are the first 5 monumental leaks pointing to what could be the most transformative wearable yet. Following the bold transformation in Series 10, with a 10% slimmer chassis, edge-to-edge glass, and squared-off contours mirroring the Ultra line, Series 11 isn't expected to revolutionize the exterior design again. Instead, Apple seems set to refine the blueprint with high-end finishes. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Deep Midnight Black Titanium, matte, stealthy, and sophisticated. Matte Graphite, muted metallic tones with urban appeal. Polished aluminum and stainless steel, keeping classic roots. Ultra-thin bezels, refining that seamless viewing surface. These finishes aim to appeal to premium watch enthusiasts seeking luxury without compromising Apple's sleek aesthetic. Keywords: premium titanium finishes, stealth smartwatch, bezel-less luxury. Leaks suggest the new S11 chip, fabricated on an advanced 3nm node. 10–15% boost in CPU performance versus S10. 2 high-power cores, 4 ultra-efficient cores. Big upgrade in the neural engine, enabling faster on-device AI. That means quicker Siri responses, real-time ML-powered features like predictive health alerts and dynamic watch faces, all without cloud dependency. Plus, with better efficiency, Apple can back 5 years of watchOS upgrades, more longevity without compromising speed or battery life. Efficient 3nm chip, neural engine AI, future-proof updates. Series 11 is rumored to debut Apple's first 5G-compatible smartwatch, moving past last year's LTE. Don't expect full HD streams, but LTE plus style speeds on SIM. Superior call quality. Faster networking for maps, translations, weather. On top of that, a new satellite SOS feature could allow emergency texts and location sharing without cellular coverage. For explorers, urbanites, marathoners, this means reliable connectivity even when out of range. Keywords: 5G wrist wearable, off-grid satellite SOS, always connected Apple Watch. Series 11 is rumored to introduce cuffless blood pressure sensing using optical sensors and pulse wave velocity tech. Measures systolic and diastolic pressure on your wrist. Offers alerts, trend charts, and contextual insights during stress, workouts, sleep. Important to note, it's not a replacement for medical cuffs, but offers valuable early warnings for hypertension and heart risks. Plus, it paves the way for future non-invasive sensors. Think glucose, hydration, metabolic data. Non-invasive BP sensor, wrist-based health monitoring, preventive wellness. watchOS 12 is poised to borrow UI elements from visionOS. Floating 3D widgets, touch, and motion responsive. Ambient UI animations, pulsating complications, live calendar pop-ups. Layered controls, bubble-like control center for quick status insights. While Series X, 10, may get some features, the full immersive interface requires the S11 neural engine, making Series 11 the only device ready for this full experience.